So what's up guys, welcome back to my channel, and in today's video I'm gonna teach you a special feature regarding the buttons in the Galaxy A52. And before entering into the video, make sure you subscribe my channel to see awesome videos like this one. And now I'm gonna teach you how to turn this navigation buttons into these swipe gestures. So with that being said, let's get started. So first, all you have to do is go to your settings and then scroll down to display and then scroll down till you find an option which says navigation bar. Click on it, and then there will be two options which says buttons and swipe gestures. Just click on swipe gestures and then just wait for like 2 seconds and you will be able to get this awesome feature. And now there are some tweaks to do. Just head on to more options, and then over here you can use 3 different buttons like swipe gestures to use different tasks, or else you can use all in one. So I would be preferring to use all in one. And by the way, if you have selected all in one, both the side of the screen will be used as the back button on the phone. So go ahead and choose whatever preferred back button gesture sensitivity you like. And once you're happy with your gesture sensitivity, just go ahead and do some random tests and you're good to go. And I would be recommending to on the gesture hints and show button to hide keyboard. So those are some very important, so make sure you on those. And just you can go ahead and play with your new navigation gesture. And by the way, if you haven't watched my unboxing of the Galaxy A52, I'll make sure I put the card on top and as well as the link in the description. So just go ahead and check on that too. So that's all for today. Hope you all enjoy this video. And if you do, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, like this video, and if you have any other doubts or anything, just put in the comment section. And as always, see you guys in the next one.